Hey there, English learners. Today, we've got an exciting game for you that's all about the nuances of social interactions. But here's the twist. You can only say yes. That's right. You'll be navigating through various social situations, and your only response is yes. So, let's dive in. You're at a party, and someone asks you to dance. Yes. You say, and off you go. Later, you're at a restaurant, and your friend suggests trying a new dish. Yes. You agree. And as the night unfolds, you're faced with a variety of social situations, all of which can be answered with a simple yes. This game is a fun way to practice your English and learn how to navigate social interactions with confidence. So, give it a try and let us know how it goes. And remember, always be open to new experiences and adventures. Thanks for playing, and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more English learning fun.